There's significant administrative overhead that goes into a school running an aquaculture program. Physical staff presence on site, which is required over weekends and school holiday periods. A lot of schools were considering, switching off their systems if they couldn't proactively monitor them.
Telstra Purple with Verge Solutions put together a full end-to-end solution. That included the Telstra Captus multi-devices with Telstra's IoT network, utilising our narrowband IoT for the form of connectivity, which then stored all the information from those sensors into Telstra's IoT platform, Cumulocity. Now, the schools have the ability to be able to, in real time, understand the temperature, the pH levels, the ammonia, nitrate and dissolving oxygen within their agriculture environment. We were able to configure it, prepare it and help the schools through the plug-and-play systems. The schools are loving it, they're embracing it. I think IoT is kind of the crux of innovation, but it enables the students to really be able to have and make data decisions.